is Marlon Carter again, and I'm sitting here in my living room and just thinking about how long I've been marketing online or trying to build a home-based business. I'm so tired of just jumping around and being successful in this program and that program and not successful in this one or that one. But one thing I've learned in network marketing and marketing online is that you have to stay focused. And this video is the reason why I'm focused now. And it's about what I'm involved with right now. And I am involved with marketing tools and ways to present your business opportunity online. I've searched all around in different places trying to find the proper tools to advertise my business online. And while I was searching and while I was jumping in programs and jumping into programs that say they can put your advertisement out over the world, and a lot of time it was just scams. But I have found uh, a system that will allow you to promote your links all over the world. And that system is called Power Lead System and also Traffic Monsoon. And they work hand in hand together to promote whatever your business may be. Now, I joined, excuse me, joined Power Lead System to promote my primary business, and I found out another program is connected with this. If you would like to join up with it to promote in the both of them, they all join together to promote whatever business you're in. Traffic Monsoon is awesome, and Power Lead System is awesome. Take it from me. My program, my links, my business opportunity is being seen globally. And I am so appreciative of these two systems. Now, to find out how powerful this system or these systems are, you have to click on the link at the bottom of this video. I'm Marlon Carter. I don't like scam. I don't like pyramid schemes, but I do like legitimate businesses. I do like legitimate opportunities to promote your business programs and things that will really stand up to be what they say they are. And I've found out through Power Lead System and Traffic Monsoon that they are legit. And even in Traffic Monsoon, you can join for free. But if you would like to invest into it, this is an ad share program. You can make money every day just by being involved with this system. Take a look at it for yourself. Down at the bottom is my link, Traffic Monsoon and Power Lead System. My name is Marlon Carter out of Dallas, Texas. I must say bye bye.